The VC2 file is a LiveUpdate Pro information file. Update metadata that helps keep software applications current with the latest patches. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you understand what this file does in your update workflow. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single VC2 file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. VC2. Files are update information files created by LiveUpdate Pro containing software, update metadata version checking parameters, and download reference data. They store the configuration that enables applications to check for and apply software updates through the LiveUpdate mechanism. LiveUpdate Pro VC2. Files use a structured data format, storing application version identifiers, update server URLs, file manifest checksums, installation script references, and prerequisite version requirements for managing automated software, update delivery, and installation. The VC2 data container is optimally managed by LiveUpdate Pro developed by InstallSimple. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows can preview limited elements, but meaningful analysis relies on the software that produced the file. To guarantee success, right-click your VC2 file and select Open With. If LiveUpdate Pro is available, test it. If not, choose another application. We are looking for the software that accepts the VC2 format. If you still can't open the VC2 file, it's okay. Before you download the universal fix, know what you're fixing. Here is a breakdown of the typical technical issues causing your VC2 problem. First, understanding the file role. VC2 files are configuration components of the LiveUpdate system and are not meant to be opened directly by users. They work behind the scenes to facilitate software update checking and delivery. The file contains metadata that LiveUpdate reads to determine if newer versions are available. Next, troubleshooting updates. If LiveUpdate is failing to check for updates, verify that VC2 files are present in the application's update directory and have not been corrupted. Delete the VC2 file and restart the application to trigger a fresh download of update information from the update server. Finally, managing update settings. Configure LiveUpdate Pro settings through the host application's preferences or update settings dialog. Adjust update check. Frequency automatic download behavior and notification preferences. For enterprise environments, use LiveUpdate Administrator to manage update distribution across networked installations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.